Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how to recover a deleted number from the call log on your iPhone. First, open the phone app on your iPhone and tap on the Recents tab to check your call log. If you can find the number, you can try checking if it's saved in your contacts. If the number isn't saved in your contacts, you can check if it's backed up to iCloud. Open Settings, tap on your name at the top, then tap iCloud. In the iCloud menu, make sure Contacts is toggled on. If it is, you can restore your contacts from an iCloud backup. Go back to Settings, tap General, then Reset, and choose Erase all content and settings. After your iPhone restarts, follow the setup process and choose to restore from an iCloud backup. Select the backup that was made before you deleted the number. And that's it. You've learned how to recover a deleted number from the call log on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!